Hey lovelies, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Parts Gorgeous Lady Asantoa, and today I'm walking in nature. And this morning when I woke up, I was so tired. I didn't want to do anything, but something told me to just go for a walk here. And we are here having a small picnic, and this thing came into my head. Like, sometimes you wake up and you don't really feel like doing anything, right? And that is the time when you have to do something. Like, if you have to go to the gym, it happens to me most often. When I need to go to the gym and then I wake up and I don't want to go, that is when I go to the gym, I really, really enjoy it. And I feel like, oh my God, I would have lost a lot if I hadn't gone. So that is what I'm feeling right now. I feel like it was amazing. It was fantastic to come outside today, and I've really loved it. We're going back home, and I want you to know that sometimes in life, when we find ourselves in certain situations, sometimes you wake up in the morning and you don't feel like doing anything. Sometimes you feel like you just have to let go, right? We've got lots of plans and it's difficult to maintain our discipline. It's difficult to keep up, to be consistent. The days that you feel like not doing anything are the days that you actually will be fruitful if you try doing something. So I want to encourage you today to just get up and go do it. Just wake up and go do it. You will be amazed and you will find it a blessing to have done it. So I hope you have a lovely day. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.